I am staking my cake token coin of the PancakeSwap. Yes, you heard that correct. Now the PancakeSwap is changing their staking strategy and it is reducing in such a way that you can actually earn better off the PancakeSwap.finance. Let's find out. Personally, I'm always looking for the better opportunity and trustworthy exchanges to get the better rate for the staking reward and the passive income. If you are also a kind of person and would like to know all about that, then I think the minimum you can do is to subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell icon and let the notification on so you won't miss any future video like this. Hello and welcome to yet another YouTube video. As usual, to those who don't know me, my name is PancakeSwap and I make a video like this on the Cool Stuff Blog YouTube channel. If anything you see here is interesting and you like it, a subscribe to the channel and the like to the video is highly appreciated. Without further ado, let's find out the best staking pool for the PancakeSwap's cake token coin. Now, here is the things. Crypto market has down lately quite a lot. So does the cake token coin. And I made about 31 cake profit over the past year. So by then, when I invested approximately $850, which became $520 now. After making 31 cake as a passive income, even though I was up in the number of cake token coin, the total value is decreased. This is why I always say the crypto market is really volatile. Please invest with the caution. So that was learning phase. I have learned so much by then. Now my plan is to recover and recover good. In the video, I'm going to compare the Binance and the PancakeSwap as a cake token coin staking pool. On the left side of the screen, you can see my Binance app, whereas in the right side, you can see the PancakeSwap ROI, return of investment calculator. Let's talk about the lock staking or the cake token coin. The flexible staking are out of the scope. The inflation is very high and I can't hold my coin there. I think this is the one of the best cake token coin staking pool at the moment. If you have a little cake token coin and want to stake for the 90 days, Binance, which is approximately 12 weeks on a PancakeSwap, the return will surprise you. Investing hundreds cake on the Binance for the 90 days of lock period will give you us approximately 17 cake, whereas you get approximately 10 cake on the PancakeSwap. That's a huge difference. Okay, here's the thing. You may be thinking you don't want to hold your coin for the 3 months, but if you want to see the monthly plan, Binance staking also beats PancakeSwap on the 1 month pool as well. You can almost get 3.4 cake staking, 100 cakes on the Binance, whereas you get approximately 1.5 cake on the PancakeSwap. This is more than double ROI while staking the cake token coin. I'm not aware of any other better ROI right now than the Binance staking. I also looked into the stakingreward.com, but it seems they are yet to update their website. The PancakeSwap zero pool is removed. So that's the conclusion. Now I will go further and move my coin from PancakeSwap staking pool to the Binance. I stake cake using the Trust wallet, so when I unstake my coin from the PancakeSwap, it went back to my Trust wallet. Those of you who would like to know how to move your coin from Trust Wallet to Binance, this might be helpful. Before proceeding with the video, I have a disclaimer for you. This video is only for the educational purpose. If you need financial advice, please contact your financial advisor. First and foremost, go to the Binance and go to your wallet. And go to Sports. This is where you can see your deposit, withdraw and transfer button. Since we are going to deposit our Cake token coin from the Trust wallet to our Binance account, click to deposit. Now search your coin. In this case, we want to deposit Cake token coin, so we search for the Cake. Now choose which network the coin is built on. This step is very important. Choosing the wrong network can lead to the loss of your coin permanently. But don't worry, I can show you how to find which coin is built on the particular network. Now let's head back to the Trust wallet. Click to the coin you want to transfer. And you can see the BEP20 on the upper left corner of the Trust wallet. Similarly, if you click to ETH, Ethereum, it says it's a coin, but Binance Peg Ethereum is not the same as a ETH coin. This one is built on the BEP20. Sending BEP20 built coin to Ethereum address will result into permanent loss of the coin. Let's check the final one. Crypto.com's Crow coin. Crow is built in the ERC20 network. So if you transfer your coin from one exchange to another, these are the basic yet very important things you need to understand. Now let's continue our transfer to the Binance from our Trust wallet. So we now know Cake have built in the BEP20 network. So let's do that. The next window is going to give us the address that we can send our Cake from our Trust wallet. Let's copy the address and head to the Trust wallet. Select the Cake coin, click to send, and paste the address that we copied from the Binance. As I always say that, please send a test amount first and send the remaining once you receive the test amount on your desired wallet. I am going to send one Cake for the moment to see if I can receive it. And click to next. Now let's confirm. Pending confirmation, and it's in the blockchain explorer. Let's check on the Binance app. Okay, something is coming. That means our address works, and we can transfer the remaining amount as well. Now let's repeat the same process with the remaining coin. So we successfully transfer Cake token coin from our Trust wallet to the Binance. Now let's stake the Cake token coin in the Binance. Let's head back to the Binance account. The process is almost the same as in the web version of Binance as well. Go to your wallet and navigate to the on and click to subscribe to on button and search Cake token coin. Normally the Binance will automatically suggest based on the coin on your wallet. The high yield are with the high volatile, so I'm going to stick with the guaranteed APY. The first one seems to be fine for me. It's give me almost double as a return compared to the PancakeSwap.finance. Let's choose the one with the 30 days periods. It's good to have better rates, but at the same time, you should think wisely and utilize the fund. For example, sell it when the price go up and buy it when the price is down, kind of. Also, there is a limit with the 90-day periods. Maybe you are only allowed to stake 10 Cake token coin. Let's stake all the Cake token coin I have in my account. And I'm going to choose auto staking as well. So reward I get will be restake automatically. Let's agree to the Binance staking term and condition. Now let's confirm all this as well. It seems like there is a glitch on the Binance app. My Cake coins are already staked. I can confirm that. They are under the on tab. So they are actually, there is a small glitch. It can occur sometimes, so you just need to make sure that your coins are under the on tab and place for the staking. That's all. We have staked our Cake token coin on the Binance with the almost double ROI than the PancakeSwap.finance. I will let you post it on these topics. How much I earn and how far will this go? Meanwhile, before you leave, a sub to the channel and like to the video will be highly appreciated. This is all in this video. Until then, take care and see ya.